Mm. Way back when and over yonder, when minutes mattered more than miles, when measured people, not places, that is. Yeah, I did say, breaker, 1-9, this is Iron Eddie. 72 years on this rock, 50 of them behind this wheel here, rolling rubber and regrets, throwing gears and grinding hearts across a continent that never cared whether I came or went. I'm eastbound and down, and I don't even remember pulling a load heavier than the last divorce, which is saying something. Copy dispatch, darling.
I copy, Eddie, but stop calling me that. It's 2:17 a.m. and I'm still in my nightgown, routing 14 trucks, 3 hotshots, a flatbed fiasco in Tennessee, and 1 reefer unit that just refuses to act like it has a purpose in life. I'm not anyone's darling, honey. I'm barely even a human these days, I swear to goodness.
Young folk, you think being barely human is a crisis? For me, that's just called Tuesday.
Hey, Alan and Eddie, I'll just heck of a holler at you, but where you headed after this drop? Just a long
Oh, if
shot.
I knew that, sweetheart, I wouldn't be calling you. Been driving so long, my odometer sounds like a scratch prayer. Tick, 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 hauling hope, hauling hurt, hauling heartache, hauling headache. And every mile ends exactly with nowhere I planned. So, the usual. What you got for
Um,
me, honey?
Eddie, you okay? You sound like a country song's been left out in the rain too long with a bucket of beer. Eternal, existential, scenic route to oblivion. What can I do you for, darling?
Let me tell you something, Muffin. At my age, everything sounds like it's been left out in the rain with a bucket of beer. But listen, that's not the part that gets me. It's the miles, these endless echoing miles. I've been crossing this country more times than I said I love you, fewer times than I should have. And the strangest truth of it all is I still ain't sure what all these highways and byways are supposed to add up to in the end of it all.
Well, hell, Eddie, I ain't got the answers to that. I'm only 26. I ain't never been to half the states you talking about. You slept in parking lots, and I don't know this lot. I mean, you're not driving a Honda place. You taking something from one place to another place, and you driving because movement is what keep you from sinking. I mean, that's just what it sounds like to me. Now, I ain't no doctor, but damn, sound like you've been seeing a therapist or something. Where'd you get that from one of them podcasts?
No, sweetheart. I got it from listening to you. I mean, I'm hearing you. I just don't really understand because, the funny thing is, I used to think life was like a ladder. Step one, drive. Step two, save. Step three, settle. Step four, smile for the grandkids. See what I'm saying? But see, ladders are for people who know what wall you're leaning up against. And them highways, they don't give you walls, just turns and tolls and truck stop tacos that should be classified as biological hazards.
Oh my God, Eddie. I literally choked on my coffee. You better stop.
Well, hell, you know what they say. Better to choke on your coffee than on your life. That's a lot. That's a gem going down.
Well, shoot, Eddie. I mean, I'm sitting here in my tiny little apartment, paying the bun, not getting wrapped around me like a surrender flag, phone just glued to my hand. I mean, I about 20 or 30, I mean, sometimes 40 trucks a day. Hundreds of miles, thousands of dollars in deals, conversations with voices I'll never see in person. Sometimes I think, am I living anything at all, or just directing everyone else's life from a
Hey,
distance?
listen, kid. You ain't just dispatching trucks. You dispatching stories, survivals, second chances. See people like me who just need someone awake on the other end of the line sometimes to say, you're not lost, Eddie. Just point the wheels and keep on moving.
Can I ask you something, Eddie? You ever feel like you're on a road to nowhere?
True, every damn day, darling. But the trick ain't finding the destination, it's finding the moments that make them detours worth taking. See what I'm saying? Like this call, this silly, sacred little call between some old road ghost and a nightgown general commanding a fleet from her bedroom fortress.
Hey, since we was talking all philosophical and whatnot, can I tell you something personal?
Your thing, sweet thing, as long as it ain't your social security number.
No, I mean, seriously though, not for nothing. You're the only driver who ever asks how I'm doing. To you, it's like I'm not just dispatch, I'm an actual real odd person.
Just I've seen enough miles to know the weight people carry listed on November laden. We all heavy. Some of us just hide it a bit better, though. No, we all headed nowhere, kid. Even the rich, the righteous, the reckless, and the rest of us. It's all the same in the end. But them miles ain't meaningless if you make 'em matter to someone. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, make your minutes matter more than your miles.
Wow. Sorry, I don't even know what to say. You got me tearing up over here, Eddie. That's actually kind of beautiful.
Hell, kid, that's just Papa's perspective. I mean, everything can be beautiful in the right headwind. You see what I'm saying? Like, when you change the way you look at things, sometimes the things you're looking at change.
Oh, man, I see what you're saying. Listen, Eddie, after you drop this load, just give me a call when you empty, okay? Because I'll get you somewhere. Not sure it'll be any better than where he is now, but it'll be somewheres.
That's the big 10-4. Copy that, good buddy. And hey, look, thanks for answering me, sweetheart. I do appreciate it. Sometimes my ghosts get a little loud at night. Little breaker, well, nah, this is already out. Rolling on. Nowhere to go but forward, my dear.
Roger that. Always steady on, Eddie. You just keep on calling, okay, Puddin'? 'Cause I got a few more miles in me, too. And I got room for your ghost between all these trials and tribulations of trucking transportation.